Start off with a little bit of good news is after the rains, the rivers and streams are improving, drainage is improving, but it is still a dangerous situation. If there is water still over the road, please turn around, do not drown. And water that we received in the northern part of our state will continue to come down as it tries to work its way to the Gulf. So even though you may have somewhat blue skies and no chance of rain, if there are barricades over a road, please do not remove them and please do not drive around them. Roads will still be dangerous as we work through these next several days for the waters to recede and rivers and creeks to get back in their bank. I'm going to talk specifically about the Houston-Galveston Area Council of Government, HGAC. 12 of the counties in HGAC have declared countywide disasters in 30 of the cities. We are currently on 160 boil water notices across 8 of those counties. And that's very important that citizens understand. We are continuing to source and deliver water to points of distribution as requested by your local officials. We are doing a very good job of moving those logistics and working with all partners, our private sector partners, our volunteer organizations, and the federal government, at the good people at FEMA, to help us work through this process. You have 135 wastewater treatment plants that are offline right now, and the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality and our Public Works response teams are working to get those back up as quickly as we can. Electricity is still the #1 issue that we are dealing with right now. In fact, electricity is what's causing the boil water notices and the wastewater treatment plants to go offline, in addition to the other damages. Hospitals are severely impacted by this right now. 12 hospitals in this county are still on internal disaster. We continue to have our field hospital set up at NRG Stadium. We continue to bring EMS units and resources in to support local 911 needs, as well as put staff at those hospitals so that when an ambulance goes to the hospital with an acute patient, that they can get that patient seen and turned over to the doctors and nurses in the ER, and that ambulance can get back out on the street for the next 911 call. We have 43 dialysis clinics that are still having issues right now. We are working with them to either move their patients to a different location or make sure that dialysis is available. It is very critical to those patients that need it. Our ISTAT, and we've asked you to help get the information out about ISTAT. As Governor Patrick mentioned, we will follow the federal law. 44 CFR Section 206, which will be provided in your packet, is very clear of what all states are supposed to do in order to request federal assistance. We're following those regulations to the letter. We now have about 1,400 homes that have had their assessments done and we believe qualify for individual assistance. Stars continue to come in. Those are the state of Texas assistance requests. We continue to get stars. In fact, at 9 o'clock last night, we got the first star from the city of Houston for generators. We're going to work with the city to make sure we source the generator to the buildings that they need to go to and get those generators on those facilities as fast as possible. That's it for the report, Governor.